Hi, I'm Pat Hogan. I'm the president and founder of Rock Island Auction Company. I'm standing here in our private sales room. This is where we do private treaties. You might ask, what is a private treaty? Well, some people simply don't want to sell their items at auction. They'd want to sell privately, and this is where we conduct those sales. This is also where we film the videos of various genres of firearms for our upcoming April sale. The April sale starts with our preview on April 19th. It's an all-day preview where you can come and take a look at the items. The auction is the 20th, 21st, and 22nd, which is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You know, I've got about 20 years experience in this and probably sold 300,000 guns. And we made a bold statement. It's the first great firearm sale of the decade. Now, why would we go and say something like this? It's not about the dollars. It's not about what we think it'll accomplish that way. It's an encyclopedic selection. It's immense. It's got diversity. It's got quality. It's got rarity. And in most cases, it's got a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for you to buy a gun that I know you don't have in your collection. There are approximately 15 videos. Each of these videos shows some of the various genres and some of the special arms. Kevin, Richard, and some of the guys explain a lot of things that you just don't see in the catalog or we couldn't possibly write in the catalog. And actually, they're pretty entertaining. They're also informative for history and for condition and rarity. Most of all, it's a live explanation of many of the fantastic, spectacular items that are in our upcoming sale. I encourage you to come to our website. I encourage you to go to YouTube. These videos are just something that you need to see to understand firearms in general and also this auction. And also I want to let you know that the entire auction's online at rockislandauction.com. Thank you.